Ano to?
Wow.
Ah?
Oh.
Ito arrows.
Arrows!
Yes, ito hand. Nagpo-point sila ng direction. Hanapin mo yung magkaparehas, ha?
Yes.
Oh, get ka ng color. Anong gusto mo? Gaganyan mo siya, ha?
It's red.
Oh, gaganyan mo siya, ha? Kunwari, ito. Gaganon mo siya, okay? Alam mo na, ha? You know the drill na. Okay. Oh, get a color na. This one. Anong ano to? Saan siya naka-point? Up. Very good.
Red.
This is not up.
It's up.
No, nakaslanting siya na up yan. Di ko rin alam ang tawag niyan. Asan yung up, kaparehas ng up arrow?
There?
No, that's not nakaganon yan, no?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, careful. Oh, this next one. Next one, blue. Anong ano yan?
Blue.
Up, down, right.
Left.
Ano ta?
Down.
Very good. Oh, connect mo nga.
Oh, down.
Very good. Yung hand na down, hand signal. Kahit anong color na sana kasi. Color mo pa. Very good. Oh, ito.
Oh. It's white.
Oh, right. Tama ba? Right? Yes, right arrow. O, asan yung hand signal na nagsasabi ng right? Ha?
Maybe you did that.
Can I see your, Can I see your hand? Here? Saan? Can I see? Saan? Oh, no, that's left eh. Ha? Very good. Saan yung
Popeyes.
Yes.
Oh. That's really gross.
Saan yung Can I see? Very good. Oh, itong pink. Saan siya nakaturo? Saang direction itong pink? Oh, ano to?
Oh.
Right or left?
Right.
No, this is right. Up, down,
Left.
left. Very good. Alam mo, mo nga, saan siya nakasan yung hand signal?
Oh. Is there?
Very good.
Pink. Where's pink?
This one.
Oh, he is.
Akin na.
So cute and
Hirap
pretty.
na hirap.
Oh. Thanks, CB.
Thank you, mommy. Ganun.
Thank you, Mommy.
Oh, this one.
Oh. Susan.
Sabi nyo, slanting yan eh.
Up.
Oh, up na. Right.
Up.
Yes, up na right. Di ko rin alam tawag.
It's brown.
Alam ko kasi, madali mo lang to eh.
Where's?
Saan ang katulad niya? Very good. O bukas tayo numbers ay next activity natin ay numbers and ABC letters.
You.
Madali na lang sa yung mga ganito eh.
Yay.
Oh, this one.
Oh. It's. Up.
Yes, up na.
It's up.
Up na left. Ganon.
The left.
Yes, up na left.
Up the left.
Oh, what color?
Green.
Very good.
Yes.
Saan yung signal niya? Hand signal.
There. No, there.
Very good. Yay! Finish!
My God.
Yes! You love it?
Yeah.
Very good.